Listen, there are only 4 things you need to do to set up an email instrument. Number 1, you need an opt-in page. Number 2, you need to drive traffic to that opt-in page. Number 3, you need a post opt-in page. And number 4, you need to email your subscribers regularly. That's it. Welcome to Email Instruments. You can have your first email instrument primed and ready to make money for you by tonight. I have streamlined the process so much that you can get started within the next 30 minutes. You've seen the results and the power of my strategies. Now, I'm not guaranteeing what you're going to make. Even though I give you everything you need to get started, the torch is in your hands and you need to run with it. Alright. So here's what you're going to get. This is the complete training you need to get the break you've been looking for. You have no excuses anymore. No more reasons not to turn your life around. In the first 10 minutes, you will start to realize the power of email instruments. You'll learn about the Sure Shot Aim, which is the guaranteed way to select a niche that you'll be profitable in. The Flash Machine, which is the fastest way to set up everything you need in an email instrument that will be profitable for years to come. I'll teach you how to set everything up in as little as an hour. The POP method will guarantee that you start making money from day one. It doesn't matter where you get your traffic from. If your POP is right, the money will flow. 95% marketers are not using this method in their business and are losing out on so much money every single day. Well, you won't have to. You are also going to learn about the level 2 secrets that will make sure that your conversion rate increases by up to 80% and your revenue increases by as much as 1200%. My favorite part is the traffic explosion, where you'll learn about some untapped, highly secret sources of traffic that will literally explode your sales and take your email instruments to the next level. Just wait till you see what I've got in store for you. You'll be shocked. Here's what I've put together for you. Number 1, step-by-step training that takes you from zero to hero, the best course I've ever put together. Listen, it took me over 2 years to perfect this. I spill all my secrets and the experience from the millions I've made online, all put together step by step. Professionally shot videos, whiteboard sessions, screen sharing. You literally get to watch me as I join all the pieces together. In February of 2015, I showed the Email Instruments course to some of the top minds in our industry, and they told me it was worth at least $997. But don't worry, I won't ask you for anything even close to that. Now let's go back to the insane value that you're about to get. I've got much more to show you. Number 2. Done for you packages valued at least $997. Listen, I got my team together and we did countless hours of research, designing and testing. A team with a combined experience of over 34 years in online marketing. And we have built something amazing. I'm really proud of this. You are going to get an opt-in page, a free report that you can give away, several copy-paste emails in the hottest niches right now. Everything you need to set up your email instruments. Simply take what we give you and use it in your business. This is easily worth at least $997. Number 3. Traffic is the bloodline of every online business, and most people get stumped when it comes to traffic. Listen, I want you to succeed, and I literally had to fight with my mentor to give this to you. You're going to get up to $400 in free traffic from one of the premier traffic sources online. That's right, $400 in free traffic. Just think what that could do to your business. We're still not done yet. Like I said, I want Email Instruments to be the only course you'll ever need to finally get a successful business online. So, number 4. It's absolutely insane, but since your success is in my hands, I went ahead and did it anyway. Now, every email marketing business needs an autoresponder account and a way to make opt-in pages. More expenses, you ask? Not really, because I have made an exclusive deal with one of the top autoresponder companies to give you free access to their autoresponder account as well as a cool opt-in page builder that will let you create stunning opt-in pages within minutes without ever having to touch a line of code. This is at least worth $197. And this is a very, very limited time offer because the company just can't keep giving away free accounts like these. But for now, you can get all of this for free as an Email Instruments member. Finally, number 5, and this is the best one. You're about to witness not just me, but 7 other experts reveal their secrets on video as I interview them and dig deep into their email marketing businesses. Each of these people charge at least $497 for an interview like this. But you get access to all these intimate interview sessions and learn from the leaders in email marketing for free. Right now, today, this is worth at least $497. Now, if you add all of this up, between the Email Instruments step-by-step course, done for you packages, free traffic, free autoresponder, and expert interviews, that is worth $3,088 in true value. Yours today. If you're wondering what's all this going to cost me, well, let me tell you what my goal is. I want you to get started within 30 minutes. I can't keep this open for much longer. We will close down once we hit max capacity. Now, I want to invest in your success. I want to remove all barriers and ignore every marketer who has told me to charge at least $997 to enroll into Email Instruments. I talked to my team, shut the door, and slept on it. After 3 full days of introspection, I decided to make things interesting. I wanted to do something insane, something no one had seen before. I wanted success stories. I want your success story. So I decided to invest in your business. After you start seeing success with Email Instruments, I want a video testimonial from you. That's it. Rather than charge $997 or $497 or even $197, I decided that if you're serious and ready to start today and willing to make a change in your life, today, this very minute, you can get started for a one-time payment of just $17. You will get instant access to the entire system and all the bonuses for just a small payment of $17. You're practically getting a 98% discount right now. You get immediate full access on the other side of this page for life. As always, you get a full 30-day risk-free period. If for any reason you don't find the Email Instruments program to be as life-changing as I'm telling you it is, simply send us an email at support@customerhelp.in and we will immediately refund your money without any questions and never charge you again. You literally have nothing to lose. Are you ready to change your life today? You're getting over $3,088 in value for just one tiny payment of $17. Just click the button below. Start right now and let's work together to change your life. Join Email Instruments and become a success story. Listen, we may have already sold out. If you click the button below and the next page loads, congratulations, you still have an opportunity to join. I can't wait to start working with you and see you take your online business to the next level. I'll see you on the other side.